Today we are going to start a new application of dimensional analysis, making new formula. We can make new formula with the help of dimension if information are given between some quantities, like in this question a particle of mass m is moving in circular path with constant speed v and radius r. Find expression of its centripetal force. Let particle have mass m and particle is moving in circular path with speed v and radius r, and we want to find expression formula for its centripetal force. In this question we know that information is given that centripetal force depends on mass, speed and radius. We want to find relation between these quantity m, v and r. Centripetal force depends upon mass, speed and radius. In place of depends, mathematically we use sign proportional. Centripetal force depends upon mass, radius and speed. We write it mathematically. Centripetal force denoted by F depends upon proportional mass m, v, speed and radius r. Let force, centripetal force depends upon mass to the power a, speed to the power b and r to the power c, and then we will find value of ABC and we can write formula with the help of dimension, proportional sign change in equal sign, and with constant F equal to k, m to the power a, v to the power b, r to the power c. Then our first step is write this information given in question. Centripetal force depend on mass, speed and velocity. Our first step is write this information mathematically. Second step is writing dimension of each quantity. Now we will write dimension of each quantity. Dimension of a force mlt minus 2. Left hand side is only force. Dimension of force is mlt minus 2 equal to k. K is constant and constant is dimensionless. K has no dimension. Next m. M is mass and dimension of mass is capital M to the power a. Next v. V is speed and dimension of speed is lt minus 1 to the power b. Third is r. Radius. Radius is distance between these 2 points and dimension of radius or distance or length is l to the power c. This is our second step. Third step, simplifying these. Left hand side mlt minus 2. This is already simplified, equal to right hand side. This is m. M is only one time, m to the power a. L is 2 times. We simplify both l to the power b, l to the power c. In this l to the power b and in this l to the power c, and both multiplying, and when two quantity multiplying, power will be add, so l to the power b plus c. Third quantity is t. T to the power minus 1 to the power b, and when there is power to the power, then power multiply, minus 1 multiply b is minus b, so t to the power minus b. We simplify these, then we get this type. Our next step is comparing similar quantity on both sides or comparing dimension on both sides. Here left hand side m to the power is 1 and right hand side m to the power is a. M to the power is 1, m to the power is a, and here is sign of equal to, so we can write a is equal to 1. Next, left hand side l to the power 1 and right hand side l to the power b plus c. So on comparing we can write b plus c is equal to 1. Third, t to the power minus 2 and here t to the power minus b, so minus b is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 1 and b minus minus cancels, so b is equal to 2, and third is b plus c equal to 1 implies put here value of b or transpose this, c is equal to b transpose right hand side plus sign change in minus sign, c equal to 1 minus b equal to 1 minus value of b is 2, 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. We got value of a, value of b and value of c. Now we can write formula f equal to k m to the power a is 1, so m, v to the power b is 2, v is square, r to the power c and c is minus 1, r to the power minus 1, or f equal to k mv square r to the power minus 1, so we can write this as upon r. So we got a formula of centripetal force F equal to k mv square upon r. K is constant and we cannot find value of k constant with the help of dimensional analysis, so it is the drawback of this dimensional analysis. We cannot find value of k, but by experiment we know the value of k is 1, so we can write formula of centripetal force F is equal to mv square upon r.